Hi, welcome to Future Technos. The Canon EOS R4 has been the center of attention in photography circles lately. Rumors suggest that Canon is preparing a mid-range mirrorless camera aimed at enthusiasts and semi-professionals. It is expected to sit between the EOS R6 Mark II and the rumored EOS R5 Mark II, filling an important gap in Canon's lineup. If these leaks are accurate, this could be one of the most exciting releases in Canon's mirrorless journey. From what's being reported, the EOS R4 might feature a 40-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor. This would be a significant upgrade for a camera in this category. The stacked sensor design allows for faster readout speeds, which is essential for action, sports, and wildlife photography. Faster readouts mean less rolling shutter, quicker bursts, and smoother performance when tracking fast-moving subjects. Pair that with a high-resolution output, and it's clear Canon is aiming to please photographers who want both detail and speed. The sensor will likely be powered by Canon's next-generation Digic X Plus processor. This upgrade could bring better noise reduction, enhanced dynamic range, and noticeably faster autofocus performance. In a market where camera speed and responsiveness are becoming just as important as resolution, this pairing of sensor and processor could make the R4 a serious competitor. Autofocus technology is another rumored highlight. Canon may debut a new quad-pixel autofocus system with the EOS R4. Building on the already impressive dual-pixel AF, this system could bring even more precise subject tracking, especially in low-light situations or when shooting high-speed action. If true, this could be a game-changer for wildlife photographers, sports shooters, and even event photographers who need their subjects to remain perfectly in focus no matter the conditions. For image stabilization, the EOS R4 is rumored to feature in-body image stabilization (IBIS) with up to 9 stops of compensation. That would be one of the highest stabilization ratings on the market, giving photographers and videographers more confidence when shooting handheld in low light or at slower shutter speeds. It also means sharper results without needing to rely on a tripod for every shot. Video capabilities are expected to be equally ambitious. The EOS R4 may support 8K recording at up to 60 frames per second. For creators who need the highest level of detail in their footage, this could be a major selling point. Canon is also said to be working on improved heat management to avoid the overheating issues that affected earlier high-resolution models during extended video shoots. Features like 4K oversampling, 10-bit color depth, and advanced codecs might also be included, giving videographers more flexibility in post-production. The body design could be familiar yet refined. Early reports suggest that it might follow the ergonomics of the EOS R5, but with a slightly larger grip for better handling, especially with heavier lenses. A redesigned fully articulating LCD screen is rumored, which would make it even more appealing to vloggers and hybrid shooters who need flexible shooting angles. Dual card slots, one CF Express and one SD, are also expected, providing a balance between speed and convenience. Connectivity could see a major jump as well, with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 for faster wireless transfers and better stability when using remote control apps. Weather sealing similar to Canon's flagship bodies might also be included, making the EOS R4 a dependable choice for outdoor and professional work in challenging environments. From a market perspective, the EOS R4 would likely appeal to photographers who want advanced performance without paying flagship prices. It could serve as a natural upgrade path for EOS R6 users who want higher resolution, or as a slightly more affordable alternative to the R5 for those who still want strong video and stills performance. Competition will be tough. The Sony A7R V and Nikon Z8 are already strong contenders in this segment, offering high-resolution sensors, fast shooting, and advanced video features. For the R4 to stand out, it will need to match or exceed these capabilities while keeping pricing competitive. The rumored stacked sensor and quad-pixel AF could be key advantages here. Launch timing is another interesting point. Many sources suggest a mid-2024 announcement, possibly during major events like Photokina or NAB. This would align with Canon's strategy of refreshing its lineup at regular intervals to keep momentum in the competitive mirrorless space. The timing could also work well with new RF lens announcements, creating a strong ecosystem push. If all these rumors come together, the Canon EOS R4 could be one of the most versatile mid-range mirrorless cameras on the market. It promises a blend of speed, resolution, advanced autofocus, strong stabilization, and professional-grade video tools, all wrapped in a body that's designed for both serious enthusiasts and working professionals. While nothing is official yet, the specifications and features being discussed suggest a camera that could set new expectations for its class. Whether you're a photographer looking to capture fast-moving wildlife, a sports shooter freezing peak action, or a videographer working in 8K, the EOS R4 could be the tool that meets all those needs in one package. Canon's track record in this segment means expectations are high, and if they deliver, this camera could be a major hit in 2024.